Hello, here we are at a client's house. What are we going to be doing today, Art?
This area down here below us, we're going to dig some of it out because right now soil's washing over into the neighbor's yard. And we're going to put Typar down, and then we're going to put stone down.
Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and then the bell notification to get notified when we put out new videos. Okay, so why are you doing that now, Art?
I'm digging this up so there's some grass under here, and even though we're putting Typar down,
Typar is like a weed control fabric.
we want to make sure none of this comes through the Typar and ends up in the stone. We are just stripping this to get what little bit of grass is left under here.
I don't know if you can see, but there's a hill right here. It goes down to this fence, and we want to prevent soil from washing into the neighbor's yard here. You can see the hill if you look at the patio and how it goes down the hill there. So this soil that Art's digging up is pretty heavy. So it's another good reason to use mulch bags that have been emptied out of mulch, because we couldn't put it in anything else. These are really sturdy and these will hold soil really well.
And Tony, you're not going to take much of the soil. You're mainly getting the roots.
Okay.
If they can fill in down there.
Yeah, there's a lot of weeds and grass in here. We don't want that. We're going to try to come up amongst the stone, even though we're going to be putting weed control fabric down. This is the process where we lay down weed control fabric, which Art's doing right now. These are sod staples. This is what we use to hold the weed control fabric to the ground. This is what they look like before spraying off, mostly white. Look what happens when you spray them off. Magic.
It's magic.
We really aren't magicians. Okay, here we are driving home from another job, another day at work, another dollar made, 50 cents maybe. Anyway, today we installed some stones for a client. She had her driveway repaved and had this little grass strip that she wanted stones there instead. So that's what we did today. How'd the job go, Art?
It went very well. She had a patio redone also, and her house is 3 stories with the bottom story exposed. So she set that up as another little room. So she has a deck on the 2nd story, and there's stairs that goes up to that deck. And that deck, those stairs, you know, there was a bit of a hill going down to the neighbors and a chain link fence in between. So it was a very difficult area. I mean, you couldn't get a mower in, you had to trim it all, and the soil was washing down to the neighbor's yard. So,
and I want to say it was a little bit difficult to put stones there too, because it was just such a small area that had supports for the deck and stuff you had to work around. So.
And she has decided that she wants to put her trash cans in that area. So it just made sense to go ahead and add the stone, you know, so it's a no maintenance area. It looks fresh, clean, and, you know, adds to the patio.
Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and then the bell notification to get notified when we put out new videos.